Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise and I hope all are sound and safe. Today I've come up with another quick and simple lockdown recipe, a recipe of a super simple eggless vanilla pudding cake. This was an experimental recipe. While making I didn't thought it would turn out so yum. Now literally I'm craving for a bite more. I prepared this pudding in a bowl for two of us. If you want, then you can prepare the same in a coffee mug. All you have to do is use half of the measurement of all the ingredients for one pudding cake. So let's begin the recipe. First we'll need 6 tablespoons of maida, the all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix this all together. If you have milk powder with you, you can add 1 teaspoon of milk powder to this. That will also enhance the flavor of this cake. Then goes 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. In this recipe, I have used oil and butter both. You can use either of it. Now add 4 tablespoons of milk. Three tablespoons of melted butter. In case you are using only butter, then add 4.5 tablespoons of melted butter and you can skip adding oil. Half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Combine all the ingredients gently. I just felt the batter to be a little thick, that's why I'm adding half tablespoons of more milk, and then goes 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can add powdered sugar in the beginning itself with the flour. I totally forgot to add in the beginning. Combine all the ingredients till you get a consistency like this. Pour the mixture into the bowl that you are using to bake. On top, use some sprinkles. Spread and mix them using a skewer like this. Our batter is ready. Microwave this for 2 minutes. The cake is ready. Let this come to the room temperature. Now let's prepare the mixture to pour on the top. For that I've taken 1 tablespoon of white chocolate. To this added 1/4 cup of hot milk. Hot milk will help melt the chocolate. You can even add cream instead of milk and use Milky Bar instead of white chocolate. It will also taste similar to white chocolate. Now goes 1 tablespoon of Milkmaid. Mix all the 3 ingredients. We have to pour this mixture onto the cake while it's still warm. I've tried to create something similar to a tres leches cake, which is basically a cake soaked in 3 different types of milk and then topped with whipped cream and fruits. But here I'm going to soak it with the white chocolate milk mix. Before adding the milk onto the cake, using a skewer, just poke the cake so that it absorbs all the liquid faster. Gently pour all the milk onto the cake. You will see in no time the cake will absorb all the liquid. Let it sit for 5 minutes like that, and then we can refrigerate this cake for minimum 20 minutes before serve. If you wish, you can top some whipped cream or fruits of your choice. Here I am going to keep it very simple and place some cherries on top and use some more sprinkles. That's it. As I mentioned earlier, we have to chill this cake before serve, but I couldn't stop myself from having them before itself. You can see still there is some milk in it. It needs to rest some more. But you try to keep some patience and try to rest the cake for at least 20 minutes before serving. Hope you all enjoyed this simple eggless vanilla pudding cake recipe. For little sweet cravings, you can definitely try this one. It hardly takes 3 minutes to put all together. If you are trying my recipe, then don't forget to share me your experience and the feedback in the comments below. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and press all so that you get notified whenever I post new recipes. See you all soon with another simple and quick recipe. Until then, take care and bye bye.